All right, kids, for your word study for Friday, October 9th, we're going to do another vowel sort. You're going to create another T-chart in your word study notebook. On the left side of the T-chart, you've got the heading short vowel words, and on the right side, you've got long vowel words. We've got a new word list down here at the bottom, and your job is to sort the list into the words that have short vowels. Whoops, sorry about that. The words that have short vowels and the words that have long vowels. So you might need to pause the video at this point and take a look at all these words and write them down, sort them on your paper. We've got bat, fish, swim, dive, soap, rug, trunk, flute, fruit, bun, bonk, dunk, big, legs, prune, feet, bell, tree, wide, and sled. Every one of these words fits in the category of short vowels or long vowels. Good luck and have fun. If you really want to give yourself a challenge, maybe you could write some sentences that use as many of these words as possible, just to get some extra practice writing and spelling these words, these word patterns that we've been studying. Enjoy your word study activity and then enjoy your weekend.